Canceling an active membership. To cancel a membership, go to the client information page of whichever client you want to cancel. So let's take Joseph Smith again as an example. We'll scroll down to the membership section. So as you see, we had already created this membership in our previous videos. So clicking on the view here, we're going to access his membership information page. So if you see right here, we're on his membership information page. So Mr. Smith, with his credit card info, his billing info, scroll down to his transactions. So as you see, all his transactions, the activation status is true, which means that these are active transactions, and once they process, the activation status will change to false. Another way to see if a client is active or cancelled, just to show you guys, you can always verify by looking at the account status here. So as we see, it's an active account status. Again, going down and clicking on the blue view button, we're going to access his membership information page and scroll down to the transactions. On the left hand side, you see activation status. Now you will change this activation status to cancelled and click on the update button. Again, please make sure, how I always mention in every video, any changes you make sure to click on the update button, because if you don't update it, the status will not change. So we have changed the activation status to cancelled, clicked on the blue update button, and now if you scroll below, you're going to see all his transactions have been changed to false. Now to verify if the account status has changed to cancel, let's just click on the back, and right here you see account status as showing up as a cancelled account.